PG Joseph Estelia, 1 Foxtrot. So now I am discussing the 5 sentences that I've made based on your learnings that you taught us. So first, number 1. Pineal bird is a subject, not just a subject, but a simple subject. Why do we know that? Why that is a simple subject? Because pineal bird is the name of a person that is only a singular, not a double, not triple, not 4, not 5, not all. So next, runs. As we know, runs is a action verb, and that's why we call it transitive verb. And why are you wondering why it called a transitive verb? Because transitive verbs, it describes runs quickly. So the one who direct sent to the runs word is quickly, and that's why that explains of DO. And I'll give you one example why does it DO in one time. Because DO is the one who receives, pineal verb is the subject, and runs it as a transitive verb. It cannot be called a complete sentence because if without DO, it's not incomplete, of course. That's why DO exists of the last sentence, because it is a noun. For now, let's proceed for my second sentence that I've made. Isagi. Isagi is a simple subject, a name of a person, but it is an anime person that I watch, and that is called Lula. So I name it Isagi here in my sentence second. So for now, this is a simple subject. Have is a verb. And I remind you that have can be a transitive verb and a verb. Same as usual. They're the same. A metavision is also DO. Because it's also the one who receives these two words to this in the last sentence that I made, which is examples of direct object. Okay. If you're questioning, you're asking why, because if you're struggling to understand why does it TV or including to V, have is also an action and also not an action. It can be 2 times in a 1. That's why it's considered as it considered. Number 3, the guy. As you know, the guy is just a simple subject, not double. That's why we call it a simple subject. Swims. This is swims. It's called intransitive verb. So if you're asking why is it intransitive verb, because it is not described for the last sentence is a noun. Because faster is an adjective, not a noun. And you're wondering why if a word cannot make if it's not an adjective in the last. No. It can be adjective in the last or noun in the last. It depends on the sentence. That's why it is why it is IV. IV. Now I explain faster is an adjective. Faster is an adjective only, not a DO. And for number 4, Andre is a subject, simple subject as usual. And is a linking verb. For now, I explain to you what is linking verb. Linking verb is the one who gave a bridge to another. It's just a linking verb. And also, I explain to you, linking verb is not an action verb, just as runs and this and have. That's why it calls linking verb. And now let's proceed to A, and this handsome. Handsome is PA, which is not a professional name for PN because it is an adjective for us to grade this subject. That's why we call it PN. For now, let's proceed to number 5, the last sentence I made. She is simple subject, brought is a transitive verb, us is a indirect object, and flowers is a DO. As we know the 3 remaining subjects. So now, the last I said this is IO. What is IO mean? IO is an indirect object. For example, she brought us flowers. Who is the one who received the flowers from the she, the subject? It's us. That's why it's indirect object. And flowers is a DO. DO, as an example earlier, the one who finish, the one who brings the subject. So that's it all for today's sir. Thank you.